guys, my name is Zefania Siagian. I'm from 12 Mipatu at Senior High School, One More Jambi. And this is my first video, and here I will make an adjustment from my teacher about the procedure, and this is one form of the procedure that I made, how to make a simple Gmail account. The first step is to open the link in the browser. It can also be Chrome, it does not matter. And I just copy the link in the browser. Okay, step 2, click your profile to add or create a new email account. Then select another account under your profile. And then here we choose to create an account. And then enter first your name and last your name. Here I will use my name. Then make your email username what you want. Then enter your password and also confirm the password. If it is, then click next. Then click next and enter your active phone number. And sorry, I will censor the number here. And wait on your mobile screen to get the verification code. Okay, I got it. Then copy the code and click verify. Okay, here you can add your optional email address along with your date of birth and gender. And I'm sorry for censoring it. If you have filled in your data, then click next. On the privacy and terms page, click I agree to complete account registration. And your new email account creation has been complete. Okay, this is what I can do. If there are shortcomings, I apologize enough and thank you. See you.